What is up? It has been some time since I've gotten an update over here at the Mattel theme park at VAI Resort. As I drove by the freeway, I don't really see much difference from over there as far as the Mattel side does. Doesn't look like they've done anything to remove the sign and complete the last couple loops or whatever's going to be there.
No, it definitely looks like they did more.
Well, the building behind Mattel, looks like they're doing something there, so we'll check it out.
I think they're doing stuff over there, look.
Let's go, we'll get closer here. The track laid down here, I think that's pretty much the same as it was last time. Word is this sign is in the way, this billboard. It's got to be relocated. And so they're probably at the mercy of whoever does that, so they can complete the rest of this track there. Hey man, last time I hear this building behind it, was about like what it looks like now. So not a whole lot of change to that. But it does look like I could see construction for another building going up next door. Right here, so. So this is about all I could see from the Loop 101, that's changed is this right here. Got some elevator shafts, mostly, and whatever else. That might be stairways. So, other than that, it's just dirt. Last time we already took a look at the cooling towers and the piping, so nothing new there. A bunch of transformers have been set. Cooling towers look to be blowing in the wind. So, other than that, that's about all the same. Got this center section here where they're going to have the concerts. Nothing really different there. I don't know if all this concrete was out here in the middle where this water features are going to be, so maybe that's new. And then this last section of whatever this is, hotels or whatever here on the right, they've been working on it, just plugging away, but still just the skeleton of it. So I think from what word is that they're getting behind on this development here.
I wonder if it's going to be delayed another year.
Yeah, still not exactly sure.
Isn't it supposed to be coming out in
where the
like
Barbie
July
house
or
is supposed
something?
to be. We know it's not here, so it's definitely going to be either down low or
I
up
think
high.
it's right there.
What? The down low part with all the excavators, or are you saying like on the
right
hill?
there. I think it's right there, or
Maybe.
either right there or right there.
And it's probably over there close to the Mattel, I'm sure. Yeah, so who knows?
Well, I mean,
I know some people have said before in the comments, and I just don't remember right now. And then there's a little building across the way, whatever that's for.
I remember I went to Universal once, and like all this stuff would obviously be together. I'm guessing for this, kind of like other theme parks.
So most of this was already built. So not really a lot of differences there.
At the stop sign, turn left onto North 95th Avenue.
And this little erector set is new. Is there another section of track still yet to go in, or is it just something different? Look. So you got the original blue and yellow, and then you got that orange one over there. But what's this?
It's new. I told you they were working on more stuff. And
Is it
another
little section of coaster, or is it just something else?
I don't know.
Could be like, who knows?
I think that's the bone shaker one. This is the blue and yellow. Might be the orange. Actually, I don't know.
Well, just thought I'd do a quick little update. There's not a lot different. So.
Yeah, I was actually expecting a lot more. It's been like a month or two.
Yeah, it's been a while, so. Anyway, that'll do it for that video. What do you got to say for yourself?
Make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Yes. That. Catch you guys later.